All right, so my dad is 73 years old, and this is his first time in my Mini, and he's first time ever driving a right-hand drive vehicle, so we'll see how he does. So I parked my Lincoln back behind here. I don't care if that gets ruined. I care if my Mini gets ruined. So I'm protecting it. Just lift it up first.
Okay, I see.
Yeah, there we go.
Holy crap, seat go up in here?
Yep.
I'll find it.
A little bit of gas. That's it.
Was it standard shift?
Yep. And it is a true H pattern.
Oh.
So don't try to cheat second to third, it'll grind. That's not reverse, that's second. So hold on. You have to lift up. You can feel it.
Yeah.
Lift up, down. That's reverse.
How much can I turn over there?
Go ahead, I'll tell you if you get too close. Got it.
It's crazy.
Crank it.
Which way?
Go ahead. Straight up. Nope, that's second. Just hit the 50 on the speed limit, on the speedometer.
Oh, I can't even see it.
It's in kilometers, so.
Where's third?
Third, H, upper right. There you go.
That's it?
That's
Three
it.
speed?
It's four speed.
Oh, it is?
But yeah, look at what your RPMs are.
Yeah.
You don't need to go into fourth at this speed.
Exactly. Awesome.
So how is it driving on that side?
Yeah, not bad. Not bad. Get used to it quick.
Yeah.
We're being recorded.
Yeah. Shifting with your left hand's no big deal, huh?
Yeah. I got used to it quick. Garage sale. Must be nice for a mailman. Delivering mail.
Yeah. So it's going to be a really sharp right-hand turn in the next road,
Okay.
right where that truck turned.
Okay. Blinker work.
Yep.
I don't like the mirror situation.
Clutch. You're going to want to downshift into second. Nope, that's fourth. There you go.
Yeah.
Did you turn your blinker on?
It almost fit in the bike lane.
Almost, huh?
Yep.
I did the same thing when I drove it, that the pedals are so close together, you end up hitting the brake and the gas at the same time.
I know it.
Yeah,
And make sure you don't wear oversized shoes.
right. Well, when you have size 12 shoe, it took a while.
Mine's a 9.
You just have to literally pick your foot up and put it on the brake.
Yeah.
Yeah, right there next to the pet supply.
You can cut in here.
Yeah. Well, you've got parking right in front, but this is fine. Don't worry about how straight you are, because we're not filling up a spot. That's it.
Cool. That's cool. Something, and then you go in.
Yours is way bigger than mine. Well, I'm on the other side. Check out my license plate. It's OTHRSDE. Other side. Yeah, you'll see it. Yeah. Yeah, thanks. Everybody loves a Mini.
They do. Is it tunes play?
Yeah. Turn it up.
Oh yeah.